That's an Ellicombe chime operators. Yep. You see them. So you can ring when they are not being used by full circle, so you can see this. So you can play tunes on these Ellicombe chimes when the bells are down, or can't be played when they're up. So these are your Ellicombe chimes. So you've got all of them. These are your tubes.
Have you put it up? Because I was going to get Alfie to do it because I said to Alfie to do it.
These are where the ropes come down.
I know, we never got round to it.
Let's get it done.
Did you got a ladder on your own?
Yes.
So when you want to not play, you should the door. That takes you up to see the bells, that little door there. So it's a ground floor 8 to this one, and then ropes are like Derby Cathedral, they're the same colour, blue and white. It says there. Oh, it's you. Hello again. So does that take you up to the bells, that door?
Sorry?
Does this take you to the bell?
Yes.
I've never seen that one before.
Yes, we don't take people up the stairs much.
I just wanted to have a look at some point. Do you play the Ellicombe chime sometimes?
Sometimes, not very often.
Just I thought, when I went to a church somewhere, they said, "Oh, do you want to have a quick go before we ring up?" And I said, "Yeah." I thought I said, but I know I've been here before. I've not heard all the bells yet, so. Tells you about the chiming. There's another notice there for me. There's looking for quarterly chime, that one. It's right up. Oh, sorry mate.
You alright?
Yeah?
Good.
That's the door you come in to ring the bells. This door. They ain't doing them yet. I'm looking for a book about this church. I can't find anything, man. No.
That red box is the...
Should we do it from this side? There's 8 bells in Kildwick St Andrews, so they're all tied up because they're not ringing yet. Not getting people in here. What else? Right, anything else?